Is that true, Kylo? Paw? Other paw. Oh my gosh. Let's get some grease in ya. Did it work? Bang! Bang! More? Yeah, greased up. Bang! Bang! Bro, what the hell is that smile? That is the scariest thing I've ever seen. Roll over. Hey, you stopped squeaking.
Bro, who the fuck are... Bro, I'm leaving my house. I'm literally leaving my house and there's a fucking dog here. This is not my dog. What do I do? Okay. You friendly? He's friendly.
I don't know how to tell you this, buddy, but if I'm cold, you're cold. You gotta come in, okay?
My dogs whenever I wash their toys.
Okay, but what else? Okay, you gotta calm down. Okay. Okay. Just trying to take a shit.